Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. So I'm just going to show you the little kind of area I've got at the moment for filming. So this is now not very exciting chair. I've got my my mannequin on here. There's my Addy machine. I've got some photographs of me and my boys. Then we've got the heads. Remember the heads? Hedy Lamar, Sulky Face Kid, and I've got my llama. And up here, I've got more pictures. There's Harley and Tyler, and this is my yarn wall. There's my filming thing. It's not quite there yet, but it's getting there. So this little area is now my little den. Now I'm going to be putting stuff on the walls and getting it sorted, but for now, this is kind of how it is, but it's a work in progress. At least I have my corner. So I'm going to pause it and I'm going to show you what's happening in the garden since my last update. Okay, so although we've got lovely blue skies, I don't know if it might be raining because there is a little black cloud appearing on the horizon, but we'll carry on. Anyway, so the big weed pile is now gone. Well, more or less. Gary did some weeding yesterday. We had no power all day, and so just bear with me a second, there's something off. Sorry about that, but I almost forgot to bring out my new addition to the garden. Now, I did say when I was at Whelan's what would make it onto my little shelf here, and it's another one of these elephants. I've put the tree in the middle. I love him. I'm trying this out, see if they work. They've never been used, but for some reason, can't get them to work. That's my little internet in the caravan. So yes, it works. It's brilliant. So yeah, the plant pot toilet. Yes, I know. I get this from my mother. She was like that. Anything became a plant pot. The Yarnavan toilet, there is no more. Now plant pot. So all these tubs that I put are starting to come out. There's Fluffy having a nice little laze. That's her spot that she likes. But yeah, this has all been weeded. Hasn't quite yet been disposed of, but we had no power at all yesterday. So this is another one of those pots. This was I didn't see this one anymore, so hopefully well, I'm glad I got the last one, but yeah, got quite a few of these little ornaments, but over the years. So Gary was busy tying the roses up because they were very droopy. There's so many flowers on them this year that it was weighing them down, and the one in the other little rockery flower bed, whatever you want to call it. But as you can see, I need to buy some plants because a lot of the pots are empty now. But it was all looking very nice and weeded and pretty. Flowers were, well, started to drop. So this is the kind of patio now. As you can see, Gary's building a wall around it. Not quite dry. There's his shed base and the start of the path. Not quite there yet, obviously. But when we come around here, that's he's trimming the trees down that overhang yesterday as well. But we'll have steps there leading into it, and then this wall will end up like this one. Runner beans are doing really well. Be getting some dangling soon. But yeah, he was trimming up this tree which overhangs, and that one. So now it's nice and clear. But that's what Gary was doing yesterday. With that, when we had no power at all. And in the Yarnavan, which is here, I was sorting out my recording area, which is this half here. And I've blocked out this light from this window with a couple of cushions because behind there I've put all of the puzzles and crochet kits that I sell. So I didn't obviously want them to get damaged by the sun. But that's a little tour of what we've been up to. And yeah, so we've got 2 elephants and a tree. And yes, I know that's not really meant to be in the window, but it was helping block out a little light, because otherwise it gets so bright in there that it really plays havoc with my recording area. So yeah, coming on nicely, ready for a new fire. And that's it. So thought I'd keep you posted, and I'll let you see it once it's more finished. Bye for now.